welcome back to my channel, and I am at my hometown finally after 9 months, and it's a chill pale day. So I'm sitting on one of the swings, which is a tire one. You can see one more in the backdrop, and it's a handmade one. So anyways, in this video I'm going to review a face wash which I have been using almost every day since last 1 year, and that face wash is from Forest Essentials. If you have seen my birthday video, in that I have shown couple of products which I have bought for my birthday, and that is from the same brand, Forest Essentials. I've been in love with this brand since a long time now, mainly because of the ingredients, and that's what the products have worked for me. And this one was the first product which I had tried from their range. Face wash is something I feel safer to try with. So yes, this was my first buy from that brand. So the outer carton looks like this. So this one is Kashmir saffron and neem flavor. There are different variants in this range, and it has the saffron, the design as well, and it also has all the details of the product, mentioned on this. The actual bottle that carries the product, it looks like this. This is a plastic bottle, and recently in terms of being environmental friendly, they have changed the packing into a glass one which is recyclable. And this I had bought like 3-4 months ago. While my first bottle was about to get over, I had placed the second order, and recently, like a month ago, they have changed the packing. And anyway, this is a pump one, and one pump is more than enough. Plus the transparent bottle, it's a plus thing, because you can keep a track on the product left inside, and also it has all the details mentioned on it. This is something I really like, especially to track the shelf life of the product. This kind of sticker or the information comes in handy. The cap that covers the pump is something that is required whenever you travel with this bottle. So they also have a travel size bottle, but this one is the bigger sized one, and this costed me 1250 rupees. But I must say only one pump is more than enough for one time use. So this bottle lasts really long. Let me talk about my experience with this product, the fragrance, because that is something that catches your senses when you open a product. So this one, even though it says saffron, Kashmiri saffron and neem, the smell or the fragrance is more towards, a sandalwood kind of a fragrance, which I love. And it's kind of mild, it's not over empowering, so it's not disturbing, or it's not a really bothering one, but it's calm and fresh, and once you apply on your face, it lightens up and it soothes your senses. This is like a mild cleanser. You can't replace this one for a makeup remover, because if you have waterproof makeup on, this cleanser, it's of not bigger use, because I have tried with waterproof makeup on, and this do leaves some kind of residue. It doesn't clean your skin thoroughly, but you can use it as a double cleansing step. So I usually use it as the second step of cleansing. First I use the makeup remover and then I use this one as the second step. The description which has been mentioned on the product is something that made me choose this one. They have this, as I said, it's a Kashmiri saffron and neem one. The saffron is for the glow, and for neem is for cleansing your face thoroughly, or the deep cleansing, what they say. So that was something made me choose this one. And I must say, touchwood, it did not break my skin. And the ingredient list was something I was really attracted to, because it has all the goodness and all natural ingredients. But recently on one of the Instagram pages of a blogger I follow, so she had put up this story about the Forest Essential products. The thing is, they don't really mention the whole ingredient list. They used to mention the key ingredient list. So there is this difference. So the entire ingredient list contains everything they put into a product, including the chemicals or the preservatives or the added color, fragrance, etc. But in key ingredients, they mention only the major ingredients or the good ingredients they put up. So yeah, that was something, I can't say cheat is a bigger word, but they had kept us, in a shadow. So yeah, that was something a kind of misleading. But recently I got to know that the Forest Essential had taken or they considered this request from most of the people out there, because customers should know the whole ingredient list. So recently they have changed it and they have started mentioning whole ingredient list on their products. So basically, even though it says it has all the flower extract, oil, saffron, etc., but this product do contains a little bit of chemicals. Let me list down the pros and cons for you. Firstly, let me start with pros. Firstly, the packing is travel friendly. You can carry this while you travel, especially because of this cap on top. This makes it easier to carry. And secondly, the pump packing. One pump is more than enough to take out enough product for one use. So if you compare it with a tube packing, there is kind of, if you put a little more pressure on the tube, there is good chance that you take out more product than required, so it leads to product wastage. But in terms of the pump packing, it's not that the case. So it's it avoids the wastage of product. Cleanser, it's quite calm and it's a very mild cleanser. So it is good to be used as second step of cleansing, and it soothes your skin and it really brightens the skin up. So I kind of really like that quality of this face wash. Talking about the fragrance, as I said, it's not over empowering, it's kind of soothing. So that is something I really feel fresh whenever I open this product. Transparent bottle helps in keeping track of the product left inside, and this kind of packing with the information about the product is something I always prefer, because the outer carton is something which we are not going to preserve for a longer time. We are going to throw it away. So the information, if it is written on the product, then it is going to be very handy, especially when you want to track the shelf life of the product. Little goes long way, so this bottle is going to last like really long time, and that is why I believe the price of the product is quite justified. For the con, I could say 2 points. That is, one is the plastic packing, and the second is not mentioning the whole list of ingredients. But now the Forest Essential brand has taken up these two the points, and they have worked on those. So yes, they can't be put it into a con list anymore. So yes, this was the pros and cons list. So this was the review. I hope you find it useful. This was a totally random chill pill review with a very easy breezy backdrop. I hope you find this review useful, and I hope you find this useful for your next haul. And I'm going to leave the link of this product in the description box. If you want to check, you can click on that and check it out. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.